This is IkSC International Kangaroo Science Contest, and this video contains question number 11 to 20 solved solutions of past paper 2020 for class 7-8, that is also known as cadet level. Well, every question carry equal points, that is 4. The video commences with question number 11. In the ecosystem of a coniferous forest, the fir tree is. Options are available at the bottom of the slide. A. Primary consumer. B. Decomposer. C. Secondary consumer. D. Producer. E. Tertiary consumer. We all know that all of the plants lie in the producers category. However, still we have to look at the food chain. Look at that grass, that is also a plant, that is a producer. Every other animal is the consumer. However, decomposers are algae, fungi, these kind of things. So our correct option is option number D, producer. Next to 11 is 12. A property that cannot be attributed to the electron is. Options are A. Particle with negligible mass. B. Particle without electric charge. C. Negatively charged particle. D. Fundamental particle. E. Particle placed in the electronic shell. Here the electron mass is equal to 9.10933837 multiplied by 10 power minus 31. So 10 power minus 31 is very low mass, that is almost negligible mass. Therefore, option number A is correct. Electrons have an electric charge of -1. So option number C is also correct. Negatively charged particle, that is electron. Now we have a diagram of an atom where nuclei consist of protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged, however electrons revolve around the shells. These are negatively charged particles. So it is actually the fundamental part of an atom. So option number D, fundamental particle, is correct. Option number E, particle placed in the electronic shell, that is also correct. So the option we left out is option number B, which is incorrect. Particle without electric charge, that is wrong because electrons are negatively charged particles. So the correct option is option number B. Next is question number 13. Which of the following statements regarding measuring devices is true? Options are given below. A. Both the ammeter and the voltmeter are always connected in series. However, this is the incorrect option because ammeter always connect in series and voltmeter are always connected in parallel. Option number B, the ideal ammeter of zero resistance. Yes, ideal ammeter is having zero resistance, is connected in series with the element through which we measure the current. This is correct option, but still we are going to check the other options as well. Option C, both the ideal ammeter and the ideal voltmeter have infinitely high resistances. No, ideal ammeter has zero resistance because this is connected in series, and voltmeter has infinite high resistance. So this option is also incorrect. The voltmeter of infinitely high resistance is connected in series with the resistor for which the potential difference is measured. Wrong. Voltmeter always connected in parallel. E. A multimeter can directly measure the energy produced by the battery. Wrong. Multimeter cannot measure the energy, however it measures the voltage, current and resistance, which is indirectly gives the answer of energy. So our correct option is option number B. Still we are going to look some other explanations as well. Ammeter have low resistance and voltmeter has high resistance. Voltmeter here is connected in parallel and ammeter is connected in series. You can also check that. And ammeter resistance is 0, that is very low, and voltmeter resistance is R, that is very high. Moreover, you can also check the multimeter that it can actually measure frequency, current, voltmeter, voltage, and DC or AC current. Moving on, the next question number 14. Andrew is eating roasted potatoes. Indicate the place where this digestion begins. Option A, oral cavity. B, pharynx. C, stomach. D, small intestine. E, large intestine. So whenever we are going to start eating, it is first in the digestion starts first in the mouth. So according to that, our correct option is option number A, oral cavity. Question number 15. Many electrical devices have been developed to repel or to kill mosquitoes. Some of them heat chemical tablets that release vapors which are toxic for mosquitoes. In this case, the tablets are subjected to the physical process of option A, boiling. B, sublimation. C, condensation. D, evaporation. E, vaporization. Let's move to some kind of explanations. Chemical tablets contain dry acid that sublimates into carbon dioxide gas, which attracts mosquitoes. It is how they find us. Since people and animals exhale carbon dioxide, mosquitoes use this as a locating mechanism. According to that, the option B is the correct answer, that is sublimation. Question number 16. Regarding the circuit in the figure, we state that options are at the bottom of the slide. The two resistors are connected in parallel. According to that figure, nothing like voltage or resistances, nothing in them is connected in parallel, because parallel things are projected outside of the circuit and all the things are inside the circuit in a one single wire. So all the things are in series. Option A is incorrect. The current through resistor R1 flows from A to B. Yes, the current is moving from A to B, but it is also moving from B to A. So there is some confusion in option B as well as D, because the current through resistor 2 flows from B to A. These both are correct. So two options cannot be correct at one time, so we need the best option. Option number C, the current through the two resistors is the same. Still, we have to know the rules of the series. E, the two voltage sources are connected in parallel. No, all the things are in series. So this is the figure how the current moves. Current moves from point A to point B, and R2 is small r and R1 is bigger because of the extra rounds of the resistance, that is 2R. Now we are moving to some rules of series circuit. Total voltage is the addition of all the voltage sources, and that will be 3V. And total current is equal to I1, I2, I3. It means all the current is same for every element present in the circuit. So current is same. And resistance, all the resistances we have to add them in the series circuit. According to that rule, option number C, the current through the two resistors is the same. Just close your eyes and put the mark over there. In series the current is always same, and in parallel the voltage is same. That's it. Question number 17. Constipation occurs in people whose diet has a low content of option A, fats. B, proteins. D, vitamins. E, minerals. Well, I have skipped option number C because this term is unknown to me, roughage. However, when I googled it, it is actually fibrous indigestible material in vegetable foodstuffs which aids the passage of food and waste products through the gut. Only the fibers, the things which presents fiber in it, that prevents the constipation. So fibers are very important for us to remove constipation, because constipation is very deadliest disease. So our correct option is option number C, roughage, that causes the people constipation who has low content of fiber. Question number 18. Iron is the most commonly found chemical element on Earth. The element iron contains 26 electrons and its atomic mass is 56. We conclude that in the nucleus of the atom of iron there are, in the nucleus, what should be the answer? Options are given below. A, 26 neutrons, B, 30 photons, C, 56 nucleons, D, 30 protons, E, 56 protons. Remove the option number B, 30 photons. Photons are not the part of the nucleus. So 26 electrons equals to 26 protons. Protons and electrons are always equal. Neutrons formula is equal to atomic mass minus proton. Here the neutrons are 56 minus 26 equals to 30. So there must be 30 neutrons, but 26 neutrons option is available. That is also wrong. It means A and B, wrong option. And protons 30, no. 56 protons must be 26. So the only option left is 56 nucleons. But this term is something new. Let us check what is that term. Atomic nuclei, namely the protons and the neutrons, jointly called the nucleons. It means atomic mass. The other name for nuclei, atomic nuclei, is nucleons. So together it contains neutrons and protons. That is 56 nucleons. So the correct answer is option number C. Question number 19. Which of the following is not the reason why mercury is suitable for making a laboratory thermometer? Options are available. A, being a metal, it is a good thermal conductor. B, its specific heat is quite low. C, being liquid, it dilates uniformly. D, the temperature of the solidification is very low, that is minus 38.9 degrees centigrade. E, it is very toxic and cannot have other uses. According to my search, mercury thermometers are now being banned across the world, as mercury is highly toxic to both humans and the environment. So it resembles with option number E. It is very toxic and cannot have other uses. Option number E is correct. The video ends with question number 20, and that is the level of oxygen in the inhaled air is option A 79%, B 21%, C 51%, D 16%, E 4%. We all know and we have started to study these kind of things from our primary level, that we inhale nitrogen, that is 78% in our atmosphere. Oxygen is 21% and other gases 1%. So the correct option is option number 21B. So the video ends here, and if you find any problem, kindly discuss it through comments. Thanks. Bye bye.